Hi guys, so I'm just starting off with the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. Then I'm using Studio Fix Fluid NC47 with a buffing brush, and I'm just blending that all over my face. Next, I'm taking the Laura Mercier and the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to highlight underneath my eyes, down my nose, and on my chin. And I'm mixing the two, that way I can have a little bit more of a highlight. You don't have to do that, but I like to have a little highlighter. And I'm just blending that into my skin. You could use a beauty blender or you could use a brush like what I'm using. This one's a MAC brush. Next, I'm using the AC Cosmetics translucent powder. It's a setting powder similar to the Laura Mercier or the Benign powder. But I really do like this powder because it's very finely milled, and I'm just pressing that into the skin. Next, I'm just going to set all over my face with the L'Oreal face powder. And then I'm just going to bronze or contour with the Anastasia's Mahogany Bronzer. And I'm just using a 168 brush from MAC, which is a contour brush. Next, I'm using MAC Cosmetics Spiked Brow Pencil. And I'm just filling in my brows. I do have up a brow tutorial. You could go ahead and view that video to really see how I do my eyebrows. Now I'm just cleaning it up with some concealer. This one is NC42 Studio Finish. And then now I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer just to use as a shadow base. Usually I don't use a concealer as a shadow base, but I figured I would try it out today. And then I'm using the new Morphe and James Charles palette. And right now I'm just using a transition shade. I'm not sure of the name of this eyeshadow. I threw out the little sheet with the names. But I'm using a 224 brush from MAC, and I'm just blending that out. Then next I'm using a 217 brush by MAC, and I'm blending that into my crease. I kind of zoomed in a little too close for this, so don't mind that. But now I'm just blending out everything. Next, I'm using the NYX glitter glue, and I'm just putting that all over my lid, kind of cutting my crease, I guess, with it, but not really. Then I'm using a 242 brush by MAC, and the glitter that I'm using is from Cake Your Face Official, and I love her glitters. So this one is a perfect color or glitter for New Year's Eve. And now I'm just taking the same shades and smudging that under my lash line, the same purple and pink tone. I did use a black eyeliner from MAC, and I'm just smoking it out on the bottom with the 217 brush. Next, I'm just using, I believe it's the Patrick Star Duo Blush that he first came out with, his first collection. And then now I'm just going to spray my face with the infamous Fix Plus by MAC. This one is the Illuminating Fix Plus. Next, I'm using the Danessa Myricks Dew Wet Balm. This is so that I can have a very shiny finish to my highlighter. I've been wanting to try her products, and I'm glad that I got to test it out. Next, I'm using, I believe it's Snow Flush by MAC. It is part of their holiday collection. And then I'm just using a fan brush. I believe this is also a MAC fan brush. Okay, maybe not. I forgot what brand the fan brush is. It doesn't matter. It's just a fan brush, and you're going to use that to apply the highlighter. Next, I'm using Cork by maccosmetics to line my lips. And then I am using a limited edition Nicki Minaj lipstick with MAC. It's just a nice peachy pink color. I wanted something kind of nude to wear with this look. Next, I'm using, I believe this is a Dazzle Glass, another limited edition color. Or actually, yeah, I think it's the Dazzle Glass. And there you have it, a complete look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It'd be easier for me